This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Voyage drone. First, familiarize yourself with all the parts of your drone and its remote control, understanding each function. Make sure both the drone battery and the remote control are fully charged before you begin. Always choose a wide, open area for your first flight to ensure safety and prevent obstacles. To begin pairing, first power on your Voyage drone, then immediately turn on the remote control. Place the drone on a flat, level surface to help with initial sensor readings. Once both are on, quickly push the left joystick all the way up, then pull it all the way down. You should hear a beep, indicating a successful connection. After pairing, it's crucial to calibrate your drone's gyroscope for stable flight. Place the drone on a level surface. To perform horizontal calibration, push both joysticks to the bottom left corner simultaneously for a few seconds. For vertical calibration, push both joysticks to the bottom right corner. This ensures accurate flight performance. Before your first flight, always perform a quick pre-flight check. Ensure all propellers are securely attached and the battery is firmly in place. Confirm you have a strong, clear signal between the remote and drone. Start with gentle takeoffs and landings, practicing basic maneuvers in a safe, open environment to build confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.